we are we are loading the iris data set. So join grid gives us full control over the center plot and margin plot. So that is why we are using it. So iris data set comprises of the petal length, petal width. So it is a flower data set. Okay. It is very famous. And we are using KDE, that is kernel density estimate. So that is the counter plot. So that is being used for iris data set. And we are using g.plot join, that is SNS KDE plot. We are setting fill as true, CMAP as a rocket, and fresh as 0, levels as 10. And we are also defining, so basically what goes on the sides, that are the histogram part. So G-plot marginals are there. So we are using to, Seaborn to plot the histogram. So SNS.hisplot color is been set as this, and alpha is 1 and bins is 25. So we can see as basically this image shows the kernel density estimate. So we have used joint plot as well, right? That is a function in Seaborn. So we can see each ring or layer represents the level of probability density. That is a central heat map, that is KDE plot, and color intensity is also there. So the lighter green colored centers indicate that the highest density of data, meaning that most flowers in the data sets have sepal measurements failing in those specific ranges. Okay. And the multimodal distribution is also there. So we can see two distinct peaks, right? That means the clusters. So this basically suggests that the data sets contains different groups. So like likely the different species like Setosa, Virginia. So they have average, they have a different average sepal dimensions. So that is what it is depicting. So the marginal histograms are there. So basically these bars show the univariate distributions. Okay, that means the distribution of just one variable at a time. So the top histogram shows the distribution of sepal length. So we can see it is somewhat spread out with a few peaks. But the right histogram shows the distribution of sepal width. So this looks more normal because that is, bell shaped center around. Okay. So as we can also see, there is a dense cluster of flowers with a short sepal length. So that is also there. And another cluster is also there where sepal length is longer. That is, yeah, somewhere around this. So this basically is why, because the clusters don't form a clear diagonal line, because these two features, that is length versus width, don't have a strong linear correlation across this species. So that is why it is forming the clusters. So this was about the scatter plot. There's price versus volume on the same chart. So we can see the data. We are using months,